Hi, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to add the video in your home page of Shopify store. Let me show you how it looks like. Here is sample video in my home page, and now I am going to tell you how to do this. Here is the admin panel of my Shopify. You have to click to online store, and here you will find a customize option of your current theme. You have to click it. Now wherever you want to put the video, you have to go there. For example, at the left side you can see I want to add a block here, or if you want to block here, here's the three limits are completed. For example, if you want to put a section here after multi-column at this place, you have to click the add section. In add section you will find different options like email sign up and image banner. Click the more. Here you will find the video option. Click this option. You can see the video is here. You can put link here. You can put cover image here. Let me put some cover image here. Here's a cover image and select it. You can change the URL of video. You can add the alt text and padding and all these options. You can easily set it from here. After setting it up, you have to save the page. Now let me show you how my page will look like now. I have Now you can see the videos here. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.